Right here in this video, I'm going to show you on how to check if your WeChat wallet has been fully approved. So let's dive in. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, Taobao, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce apps or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about WeChat wallet like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to know if your WeChat Pay or WeChat wallet has been fully approved on WeChat. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on Pay. Then right here, you have the approve message right here. ID photo, we are approved. With this, you can start using your WeChat wallet. You can fund your WeChat Pay. You can receive and send money in your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about WeChat and how best to use your WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not least, if you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, whether on WeChat or on Alipay, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.